Hello, everyone, and happy Thursday. So, for today's circle activity, what you guys should have is this piece of paper. And it says matching at the top, and you see all of the different body parts. And then inside the bag, we've already cut out all of the winter clothing items for you guys. So, what we're going to do, I have a colored sheet like this with some Velcro, which will make it a little bit easier for me to show you guys how to do this activity. So just like with every activity, there are multiple ways to be able to do this task. So the most basic way I would suggest is first pointing to the first item or the body part and say, look, it's the chest. We wear a coat or a jacket on our chest. And then you would just hold up the one target picture, and that is the coat or the jacket. And you would say, get coat or get jacket. You would prompt them then to get the item from you, clothing item from you, and then put it on the matching body part. And you can tell them, look, the coat goes on your chest, and you can show them on your body. The next way to be able to do it is to say, look, we are looking for something that we wear on our chest. We wear a coat or a jacket on our chest. So let's get the coat or the jacket. So then what you can do is then put up the coat in a field of two. So I'll have my coat and then I'll have my boots. And you could say, get coat. And they should be able to get the clothing item that you had asked them to get. If they're unable to do that when you're holding up the two items, like I've stated before, maybe push the target item a little bit closer to you. Or if they're still unable to do it, provide an elbow prompt to be able to get the item, or you might have to provide hand-over-hand assistance to be able to get the item, clothing item. And once they get it, then you can tell them to put on next to the chest, and you can tell them, look, we wear a coat on our chest. The next way that you could be able to do this activity is to say, all right, we need to find something that we wear on our chest. We need to find something that we wear on our chest. And instead of telling them directly, get the coat or get the boots, you can hold up the two items and say, get the one that we wear on our chest. And then the same thing, they should be able to identify the coat. And if they're unable to, provide the prompt or the hand-over-hand assistance, and then they could match it onto the chest. Good job. And I would suggest not gluing this activity unless it's super reinforcing for your child, just because it's something that you can keep bringing out throughout the day, or you can keep using for the week or even into next week, because this is an awesome thing to work on at any point for the child, just to be able to identify the clothing items that we wear during the winter and what part of the bodies that it's associated with. So let's do kind of the middle of the road. It's what I try to do every time that I record this, doing this activity. So what I'm going to say is, look, I see the chest. We need to find something that we put or we wear on our chest when it's cold out, and that is a coat. So we need to get the coat. I want you to get coat. Good job getting the coat. So let's put it next to the chest, because we wear a coat on our chest when we go outside. The next thing that we need to find, look, I see a head. It's a head. Can you touch your head? There it is. Good work. What is something that we wear on our head when we go outside? It's a hat. So we need to get hat. Hat. Okay. I want you to get hat. Good job getting the hat. And we wear the hat on our head. You're right. So we're going to put the hat next to the head because we wear our hat on our head. Now I see a foot. Do you see that foot? What is something that we wear on our feet when we go outside and it's cold? We wear our boots. Nice job. So let's get boots. And again, if this seems easy, you can kind of work on like the attributes. So get the one that we wear on our feet. But I'm going to do it this way. So get boots. Good job getting boots. And we are going to put the boots, look, next to the foot, because we wear our boots on our feet. Our next body part that I see is the neck. That's his neck. Can you touch your neck? Nice job. And do you remember in our activity yesterday what I showed you that I wear around my neck? It's a scarf. So we need to get scarf. Get scarf. Good job getting scarf. So we need to put the scarf next to the neck. We are going to put it right there next to the neck because we wear a scarf on our neck. Our next body part are our hands. Our hands. Can you show me your hands? Nice job. We need to find something that we wear on our hands. What do we wear on our hands? Mittens. Nice work. So we are going to get mittens. Get mittens. Nice work getting mittens. And we are going to put them next to the hands because we wear mittens on our hands. Now I see a leg. I see a leg right there. So what do we wear on our legs when we go outside in the cold? We wear our ski pants. So let's get our ski pants. Get ski pants. Good job getting ski pants. And we are going to put the ski pants right next to the leg. Remember I showed you my black ski pants yesterday? The ski pants can make sure that your legs stay warm and dry when you're outside playing in the snow. The next body part I see is this right here. What is that? It's a ear. An ear. And we have, let's count our ears. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 ears. And sometimes if we do not have a hat, some people wear something else to keep their ears warm. And they're called earmuffs. Can you get the earmuffs? Good job getting the earmuffs. There they are. Those earmuffs are something that we put over our head and they cover our ears to keep them warm. So we're going to put the earmuffs next to the ear, just like that, because we wear earmuffs on our ears to keep them warm in the cold. So the next picture that I see is a whole body. Do you see that whole body? So sometimes, friends, people do not have a single jacket or a pair of ski pants. They wear something else, kind of like Peter wore in our snowy day. And that's called a snowsuit. Peter wore a red snowsuit in our book. So I want you to get the snowsuit. Where is the snowsuit? Good job getting the snowsuit. And we are going to put that at the bottom because we wear the snowsuit on our body. So look, friends, we finished the activity. We have the coat that goes on the chest, the hat that goes on the what? On our, good job, goes on our head. We have the boots that go on our feet. Nice work. And the scarf that goes on our neck. Nice work, friends. We have our mittens that go on our hands, our ski pants that go on our legs. What are those? Do you remember what those are called? Those are called earmuffs, and they cover our ears. Then we have a snowsuit that we put on our whole body. Nice job, friends, matching the body parts with the clothing items that we wear during winter to keep our bodies nice and warm. So if you guys have any questions regarding this activity, please reach out and I'd be more than happy to help you guys. Good luck and see you later.